这个我，这个车我。
Okay.
Oh.
So you're trying to say that we test drive ourselves? Oh no lah, a person is coming.
I don't mind if we test drive ourselves. Ah, got heat. You got seat ventilation in the front. 请力，很高兴。Hello, hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Okay. Alright, let's go.
This one you go.
Left or right?
Right.
Right. Left here.
Is it the first car you test drive?
No.
Not really.
Not really.
What gearbox is it, sir?
CVT.
Oh.
It's essentially the same thing lah.
Same
So
thing.
it doesn't make much difference to me. You call it whatever name you want.
Yeah.
Like
The system is the same.
Yeah, the system is the idea behind the system is the same. So you call it a DSG or you call it DCT or whatever, it's still the same thing. Am I on the right road?
Yes, you're right. It's making a one round now.
Okay.
How many safety features?
I think you get everything. I think.
The smart sensor.
My God.
Does it brake completely until zero? What the stop?
Yeah.
The auto braking. It will basically not to the zero lah. It's only assist. Slightly, yeah, it's assist.
Okay. Still never change this one.
The horn.
Yeah. Maybe in Korea they don't use their horn that much. That's why.
This one
This one's left.
left.
Yes.
What car is it?
Elantra also.
Elantra also.
But 2 models before this.
Oh. You mean
The MD.
MD and before that is HD. Is
No, not this one. Previous one is the AD. Then
AD,
one
right,
more
yeah.
previous one.
One more is
The one that
HD, right?
No, MD.
Sorry, MD. Before this AD. Yeah, AD facelift and then before this MD.
Yeah, but this transmission is way smoother than the 6-speed.
7-speed.
It's just that the sorry.
Well, at least you tested the brake.
Yeah. I'm not supposed to brake that.
Okay, just leave it.
It's okay. The car's coming already. I thought the traffic light would come with some warning.
Yeah, no, it's fast.
Oh.
It looks a bit fast.
Sometimes Malaysia really got no standard one. Sometimes they blink, sometimes they don't blink.
Sometimes number.
Sometimes they give you the number. Sometimes the number cannot believe.
Hello, Tio. Sorry? Yeah, Tio. Yeah. Yeah. Can I text you? Okay. Alright, okay.
Very Audi like. The gear shifter. Don't remind you of Audi meh? Do let me know when do I need to turn here. Okay, my brother is also driving, so just let us know if we need to go back to change or we can just look for a place
I
to
think we you just maybe park
here.
the roadside and then
Okay.
we change.
We do it here
Can.
because it's wider here.
Okay. Wait. Okay.
Okay, this is a very big departure from the old car.
Bigger,
Oh. What mode is this in?
Sport.
Sports, urines.
Oh.
Sport.
And how do I change the mode here? Oh, the drive mode. And then it cycles through. Okay, this is
Smart.
smart. No. Very nice steering wheel. Steering feel.
Better than the overly light
Oh yes.
steering of the previous generations of the
Yep.
Hyundais. There's a very considerable lag between pedal feel. Don't know whether it's because of the CVT or not. Or IVT.
Oh, lane keep. So it's on sport, lane keep, autonomous braking.
Yeah. It has on the and then the what?
Got radar cruise control.
Yes. Smart cruise.
Mm-hmm.
And then come with the leaving vehicle you go left.
Left here.
Left. Leaving vehicle take departure. Leaving departure vehicle assist.
What does that do?
Something like when your car in front moving, then the car also will follow.
Oh, okay.
Something like people behind you and horn you.
When you're in the jam.
In the jam do that.
What's the power output for this?
140, I think. I think it's 140, if I'm not wrong.
100 is a plus because Sonata is 200.
200
Sorry,
Sonata.
Sorry, you mentioned about the power, right?
Yeah. The power and torque, the horsepower and
Torque is 170 plus.
The power is 123 over 6300 RPM, and the maximum torque is 154.
Oh, 154 only. I thought 170.
It is a naturally aspirated engine.
Yes. 2 liter.
2 liter.
No, this one is a 1.6. We have only one variant.
1.6 means? Now I know why it's a bit slow.
I don't need to turn yet, right?
It's better if you use the sequential shifters.
Yep. Okay, quite nice handling also. The car overall is quite smooth.
The shifting lah.
Yeah. Yep. Are turning here?
I think we have to make another one round.
Another.
We just passed.
Oh, we passed it. Oh, it's not here, man?
No, it's the other one. We are the other side.
Okay. Okay.
Why not? You make one.
Sorry. It was the one before we turned, right? Okay. I didn't notice. Too used to coming into this entrance.
What was your experience with the MD so far? Okay lah. You still driving car lah?
No, I sold the car already.
Oh, it's
So far, other than wear and tear, not much issues.
so much issue.
Because at least that car is, I mean, quite popular lah for Hyundai standard.
He sold a lot at that time.
Yeah, but nowadays,
now different.
to be frank, Hyundai is not really selling well.
Yeah, honestly, I think the price competitiveness is also one of the reasons.
But I was quite surprised that they dropped Ioniq.
You mean Ioniq?
Yeah, I was quite surprised that they discontinued the Ioniq brand in Malaysia.
Basically coming, I'm not sure whether
Because from what I know is that was the best seller for quite some time. Because if you see new Hyundai cars,
true.
that's like the best one you can see the most on the road.
Because the models coming on, I think quite after this Indonesia plant open, there will be a lot more variants. I mean models coming in. Because global, maybe like Ioniq is a Ioniq 6 lah. Looking forward to.
Ioniq is a very good car.
Not cheap lah, I think I would say.
But Ioniq is not a bad car.
Yeah.
Overall, it's a very very good day-to-day city car.
So far, not much issue also lah. Honestly, talk about hybrid, some worried, right, with the
Yeah,
battery. But so far, I think so far so good.
Even after so long, there's not much. We don't hear any bad report about that.
Yeah, I like that car.
But too bad you don't sell it anymore.
Yeah, let's continue. You staying nearby?
No, in
Not-
Cheras.
Oh, in Cheras.
Yeah.
So you purposely coming for this
Yeah,
event?
for this event.
And a lot more car can test drive, right?
Yeah, you don't have to go to so many shops.
Yeah.
I mean,
Showrooms,
overall.
It's good this kind of event.
Yeah.
And then you get to compare cars on the
This
spot
real,
also.
I think I can say this is a real sales event.
Yeah.
Better than the normal virtual, I mean.
I think the firewall that what do you call it? The sound insulation is a bit.
I'll go straight, huh?
Okay.
Yeah, I need to
After
prepare to
this,
turn already, right? If not,
this,
keep going round and round only today.
I think here, like,
Yep. Oh, very smooth car. Wow, improved a lot ever since the last Elantra.
Even I dare say it's actually better than the AD.
Oh, the suspension is really comfortable.
It's way better than the AD. The only good thing about the previous one was the 1.6 turbo. It was discontinued for
the power.
yeah, but then it was not really that comfortable to be in.
Oh. Okay. Alright.
I think we take the Sonata first, also you don't have to wait.
Yeah, Kona is not here also.
Okay.